Hey guys, so I made this slime with glue. Well, I made it at school, but I made it with glue. I made it with the shaving cream that came from the sporting store. I think it was Dick's Sporting Good, like their thing, but yeah, so I made this slime with that. I put borax and water in it, and it was just like crispy and just, it broke off like, I can't even do it now. It broke off like that, like every minute, every time I tried to, play with it. So I'm just soaking it in very hot water, and it is so stretchy now. That was because I was going way too hard, but it doesn't do that. It's really stretchy. Oh yeah, so this is some pretty good slime for soaking. I'm also making this slime, and it's like hand sanitizer, paint, and food coloring all put together, and I'm freezing it. So instead I had to microwave it, but I don't think that's gonna work. I think it's just gonna get like hard, like iceberg slime. I don't want iceberg slime, but I could make iceberg slime out of this. I just don't want to make iceberg slime. It doesn't seem satisfying. It's just a waste of slime. So I am so sorry because my first video about I don't think there's aliens around here or something like that. I'm sorry. That was like super stupid. I'm just sorry. I don't know what to do in the first video, so I was just like weird. I just didn't know what to do. Not really. Okay. Interruptions. So yeah, this is really good. I'm trying to like break it with my nails, but it's so thick and I just love it. Because it would usually like break really easily. Like the borax and water one. My borax and water slimes don't turn out good at all. Like people say that you're supposed to use Stop-Lo if you want the best slime. Which I think it does turn it into the best slime. But some people just don't use enough. So I recommend borax. But the real way to make that was my slime, borax and water slime is glue, shaving cream, I'd say a little bit of saline, don't go overboard, a little bit of saline, boiling hot water, and a little bit of borax in it. You don't want too much or else it'll turn out like iceberg slime, like so crispy. That's what this was before because someone dumped a bunch of borax in my boiling hot water. Mom, I'm looking at you. So, yeah. I don't know why. I just think this is a really good spot to make like videos and stuff. Because I just have space to make it. It's like my own slime station, pretty much. I love playing with it in the water. Okay, guys. Now, go check out my hand sanitizer slime part 1, part 2, and there might even be a part 3. I don't think there's a part 3. Honestly, I don't think there's a part 3. But yeah, go check out my other videos. Thank you guys. Bye.